Hello and welcome to the first screencast for the deployment milestone of our pipeline project. Since we've made some changes to our Jenkins server, this first section will just demonstrate that all of those changes are made automatically using our previous provisioners and Ansible playbooks. As before, once we've run the provisioning script, we run the playbook to configure the Jenkins server. For the specific changes made to the configuration, please see the report on the repo. Next, we'll be demonstrating the basic deployment task. From within the checkbox directory, we make a push to the production remote. In our Jenkins setup, we've included a post-receive file at that endpoint that provisions and configures the checkbox server. Similarly, with iTrust, when we make a push to production, we have a post-receive script that provisions and configures the iTrust server. The rolling update task consists of three parts: the setup and configuration of a shared database, the setup and configuration of 5 iTrust application servers, and then a running of our update playbook. For the specific changes that were made to the provisioning and configuration scripts in order to allow the shared database connection, please see the repo. And one thing to note here is that we've saved the IP address of the iTrust database server in an Ansible variable. The main thing to note about the provisioning of the 5 iTrust application servers is that their IP addresses are all saved along with appropriate options to an inventory file. Another item to note is that we use the IP address of our database server, which we've saved as an Ansible variable in the configuration of our iTrust application servers. Lastly, we'll show the rolling update task itself, and first we'll start our monitoring tool, which simply polls the 5 iTrust application servers and reports their status. And we take advantage of Ansible's serial option in the update playbook to only update one server at a time. And as we can see in the monitor, only one server goes down at a time. And once the update task is complete, we can see that each of the endpoints has been updated. We've added this v2 flag just to distinguish the upgrade. For screencasts about the remaining tasks, please follow the links in the description below and in the README.